is because we are going for a shoot today. The pictures are right here. I hope you enjoy them. We have our avocados with us, so let's quickly make some breakfast. London bars are a scam. You guys, oh my god, I'm so happy right now. You guys have no idea what just came in my mail. It's an exquisite, timeless, priceless thing. Hey everyone, this is Mallika Boobna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You might be wondering why am I looking like this. So basically I just came back from the shower and I've currently slathered my face in oil because I'm gonna do my makeup. So this is my makeup prep. Very oily, very nice base, very glossy base, but whatever. The reason I'm doing a full base makeup is because we are going for a shoot today. My mom is still in town and we thought that it'd be fun to go for a photo shoot on the streets of London with my friend Julia. So we're going for that and my mom is currently at the mall shopping for her outfits, which is great. While I just finished my meetings, I had some work and now I am gonna do a full base of makeup and then we're gonna get changed. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be wearing, but let's get ready first. I'm now gonna take you through my get ready journey because I have tons of videos like those on my channel. So if you're interested in seeing how I do makeup, click on the link right here. But for now, I will see you when I have some makeup on this beautiful face of mine. Bye. Hey everyone, so I'm finally ready. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these black heels from my Sarojini Nagar haul, these red Zara pants, and this beautiful white crop top. I don't know from which brand. And I've done a high pony because I want my face to be visible more than my hair. And yeah, that's how we're looking. We have one more outfit change in the bag, and these are my glasses for like an extra edge. I have not put accessories because I do not want to. I just put some rings, and that's how we're looking. We're super late, so let's go and I'll take you to my shoot. By the way, I've taken this bag as well just to add as an accessory for my outfit. You want to talk about your outfit?
I'm wearing a green suit.
That's all she has to say. Peace out. Hey everyone, so basically update, I've been in Stratford International since 40 minutes because there's been a stupid traffic jam. In London I've never seen traffic, but for the first time there's traffic everywhere and they're shutting down all roads, which is so stupid. So yeah, that's the update. It is 6 p.m. already. I was supposed to be there by 6 p.m. I think the photographer is gonna go away because I'm gonna be there by 7:30, which is an hour and a half late, which is not professional at all, and it's stupid. So yeah, we got dressed up for nothing, and I think that by the time I reach there, the sun will be gone too, so there's gonna be no light, which is awful. So yeah, that's the update. Hey everyone, so I'm going back home because I was in the car for an hour and we got nowhere except home because we've been, look at the traffic. It's just so fucking annoying that, let's not talk about it. I'm getting super annoyed. But I cancelled my shoot because there was no way I was gonna be there like 2 hours later, so there was no point like ask the photographer to wait. Hey everyone, so I just got home and update. Since we could not go to the photographer in Battersea because it was just not a good day. We clicked some pictures outside our building because the lighting was beautiful. So I'm gonna insert some pictures right here for you to look at, and yeah, we considered that as a photo shoot because we just didn't want to dress up and not take pictures because that would be an insult to the makeup and all the hard work. So yeah, the pictures are right here. I hope you enjoy them, and then continue with the vlog. Bye. Good morning, beautiful people. It is currently the next day. I'm sorry for looking so bad. I woke up an hour ago and now we're just gonna go down to grab some coffee. I am gonna order my coffee pods when I go to the new house, which is tomorrow, which is exciting and very nervous at the same time. Sorry guys, somebody was in the lift, but we made it. Yes, can I... Guys, so I am finally here. We're just getting our coffee done and then we're gonna head upstairs. I've been editing this graduation vlog since 2 days and I want it to be perfect. So part of me is I should have divided it into 2 parts so that it's not too long. But I'm very excited for you guys to see the graduation vlog because it's amazing. And yeah, we're gonna get our coffee, finalize the editing, and then as I was saying upstairs, we are moving out of our old house tomorrow morning. So we'll be moving in tomorrow to our new house. I can't wait to show you the house tour, the moving out, moving in vlog and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. And yeah, the coffee is ready. I'll see you. Bye. Hey everyone, so I was just home when my mom asked me to get groceries. She's like, I asked her like, are you hungry? Like, what do you want to eat? And she goes, wait, are you gonna cook? I'm like, why not? And she's like, okay, then I'm gonna have this. I'm like, okay. So I am off to grocery shopping to get some avocado. I'm gonna make avocado toast with some chili flakes and some lemon on top. Oh my god, lovely. And that, along with that, I might do some eggs on the side. Or we could do waffles with strawberries and maple syrup and some avocado toast. Like, that's lit. So yeah, we're gonna go grocery shopping right now. Come along. Hey everyone, we got our groceries right here. Bad news, they were out of waffles. So we cannot do waffles and strawberries with maple syrup, but we'll do it tomorrow or some other day. But today we'll just do avocado toast and maybe an egg on the side. And that's the plan for breakfast. We're done with our coffee. So now we're gonna quickly make breakfast for mom and then finish the editing, upload the vlog, and then finally start our day. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm finally home and we have our avocados with us. So let's quickly make some breakfast together. Let's get started. Da-na-na. So beautiful, you all. I think I'll do one for her. I don't think we need two. So let's just do one. So we're gonna scoop this out. We're gonna mash them. What I like to do is break it apart and then I take a fork to smash them. It's easier to smash it with a fork, you guys. Guys, I'm a big sucker for for tomatoes, so I like to add one tomato inside my avocado with some chili flakes, oregano, and some lemon juice. So yeah. Mix. It adds a beautiful color as well. And then we add the seasoning. A little bit is good. And some chili flakes. All done. We're going to be cutting some bread, which is right here. Thin slices. And yeah guys, now that we have our bread and our avocado ready, I'm gonna make the egg whenever she's ready and just toast these up and put it on the avocado, put some avocado, and then breakfast is served. Now let's just go back to our editing. Bye.
Few moments later.
Hey everyone, so we are at 𝐂𝐇𝐀, which is a Japanese restaurant, Soho in London. And basically I ordered a drink called something Negroni. It's a tequila based drink. Yes, thank you. Lovely, thank you so much. Sorry. And then I ordered something like this, and this is what they gave me. Literally, I haven't even had any one sip, and it's filled with ice. It's literally filled with ice, and the drink is this much, and I paid £10 for this. London bars are a scam. I'm gonna insert a video right now so you can get some context. Bye. Guys, oh my god, I'm so happy right now. You guys have no idea what just came in my mail. So I just came back home from dinner with mom and I checked my mailbox and are you guys ready? Oh my god, this is like the best day ever. It's such a beautiful thing. It's an exquisite, timeless, priceless thing ever. I can't show the details, oh my god. But I can show, I don't know what I can show you guys. I don't think I can show any of my details to you. But whatever. My BRP is here, which means my work visa is here, which means I can stay in the UK for 2 more years. And then I can probably get sponsored by the company I'm going to be working at, hopefully. But you guys, I can show this. 2 years, my work visa is here. I am on cloud 9. I'm so happy. Living in London has been a dream. And I've been living this dream for 4 years and now 2 more years, and it just sounds unreal. I'm so grateful for everything. And yes, just wanted to share this beautiful news with you guys. We just got home and my mom and I are craving some dessert. So now we're gonna relax for like 10 minutes and then get into our tracksuits and walk at this place called Heavenly Desserts in Stratford to get some nice mouth melting beautiful dessert. So yeah, I'll take you guys along when I leave. Bye. Hey guys, it is 11:30 p.m. and we are at Heavenly Desserts. It is a beautiful place in Stratford and we have ordered some tiramisu and some chocolate and hazelnut mochi. So yeah, let's do a quick taste test. Jana? Good? Okay, approved. So this is Chana's first time trying a mochi ice cream, so let's go. Yeah, you can take a bite as well, it's fine. Or you can eat the entire thing at once. Thoughts? Are you a mochi fan? No.
It's like chicken ice cream.
Chicken ice cream.
Chewy.
Cancel. Cancel her on every platform. Well guys, I'm back home. I think that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in like always. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Like literally, subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Much love. Bye. I have one message for people who haven't subscribed to my channel but watch my videos every time I upload one. बेवफा 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 निकली है तू झूठा प्यार करती है तू झूठा प्यार कितना है तू. Whatever, you guys get the message. Bye.